Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss one new requirement. The requirement is that in FB60, whenever user posts a document using transaction code FB60, system should calculate the tax always. For that mean to say, for that user has to give the tax code, but as you know we should also select the calculate tax checkbox. If this checkbox is selected and user has given the proper tax code, then only system is going to calculate the tax on the base amount and system will create a new tax line item, right? So now the problem is that sometimes users will give the tax code here, but they will not select calculate tax checkbox. In that case system is not going to create a separate tax line item. Okay, so to solve this problem we have two steps. First thing, we need to make this checkbox as default. As you can see, this is default. As soon as we go to FB60, let me show you /n FB60. If you go to FB60, you will see this is already selected. Now the problem is that, and how it is selected, I'll show you the setting where we make this setting so that this is always selected. Now the second thing, the problem is that this can be deselected. Even though this is by default, but this can be modified, this can be deselected. So two things we need to do. First thing, make it default, and second thing is that make it non-modifiable. So first thing, let's see the first step. So for that you go to SU01 transaction code, user parameters. If you don't have access to this transaction code, then connect with your basis consultant. Now go to the parameters. Okay, here we need to add one parameter xtx and the value should be x. This is for calculate tax checkbox. Once you have selected this parameter, then if you go to FB60, this checkbox will be always selected for this particular user. Now if you want to make it non-modifiable, for that the transaction code is SHD0. So we need to give the transaction code here for which we want to create this transaction variant, and then give some transaction variant name, then click on create, then continue. Okay, here we need to fill in some inputs so that system can capture all those fields. Okay, just remove this default checkbox also so that we can get this field also in the list. Now continue, check here, do you see any field here? Calculate tax is not captured yet, so click on continue and again continue. Now let us see if we found that field or not here. Still we are not, yeah, it is there, right? Calculate tax. So here we need to select this checkbox output only and then click on exit and save, then click on save. Here we need to provide SAP package so that you can check with your basis consultant, and here we need to provide the transport request number as well. So provide the transport request number, and now you will get the message the transaction variant and screen variant were saved. Okay, so this change we have saved in the transport request, which we can move to quality production wherever we want. Now go to the first screen, which is the transaction standard variant. This is the variant we have created. Now we need to activate this variant, so just click on activate. For activation, system will not create any transport requests, so that means activation has to be done in each and every client manually. Now let's check in FB60 transaction code, and we can see now. Okay, let me give you some inputs so that we don't get error. See, now you can see this is grayed out, this is not modifiable. We have made it default, selected, and then we have made it as not modifiable, right? So this is the learning in this video. If you want to make calculate tax checkbox as default and non-modifiable, then these are the two steps. I hope you like this video, and I'm going to start my online batch for SAP FICO course. So anybody is interested, please send me a message on email ID which I've given in the description, or you can see on the screen. Okay, so let me know if you are interested. Soon we are going to start the batch. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.